Hi guys, MinuteKit. Can you make not one funnel in 27 seconds, 7 funnels in under a minute? Cindy Donovan's gone and done it again. So she is a bona fide affiliate marketer who has now become a friend. And I want to tell you all about it. Listen to the end, because I've got some exclusive bonuses, exclusive to me, that I'm giving to you when you get this from me. This is in pre-launch at the moment. It's coming out on, I think it's the 23rd, but there is a webinar, and it's going to teach you how to get 7 funnels built in less than a minute. Okay, so creating a funnel costs money. Done for you lists cost money. They get outdated. People can sell you lists and they're like really old, or they've got them and they're just single opt-in and yours is double opt-in, so they're worth nothing. So this is Cindy Donovan, who lives in Australia, giving you a constant supply of emails packed with fresh lead magnets on your topic for your audience at the click of a button. Funnel Mates makes it dead simple. I'm a member of Funnel Mates and have been for ages. So this is a bona fide company that actually does what it says on the tin. You have to watch that short video there. It's beginner friendly and you don't have to edit it because they're already done. Okay, so it's a fully integrated funnel that you just link your JVZoo page or Warrior Plus page once, and any product that you want from Warrior Plus, you just click on the link, ask permission, and it's there in the emails. You don't have to write the emails because Cindy's got demonstration emails for you. You just put your name. In fact, your affiliate name's on the bottom as well. Come on, guys. This is, well, it's not in competition with Buildraw, but it's similar, but it's, yeah, I just don't know what to say about it because this is done for you as well. No setup needed. Emails in there. If you've got your autoresponder, you can actually do it to Mailing Boss in Buildraw, Get Response, Aweber, and others. So unlimited subscribers, she's done the emails for you. This is a game changer. Hundreds of niches. You can add your own script, add your own domain name, and get results like this. See, you get small ones at first and they get bigger. So so you have to connect your Warrior Plus and ClickBank, whatever. Use the Funnel Mates money that they give you. They give you cash to unlock some funnels in your niche, and they're written and ready to go. So basically it's 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, connect, select, profit. Right, you've got the gist. I'm not going to say any more about this because it's really exciting. I'm hopping over to the bonus page now, guys. The bonus page is, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. It's 7 membership site systems with all the emails in and video training, resellers, websites, lead magnet, and stuff like this. Then the upsell to that is going to be $27, and it's 10 bot videos to 10x your results. Now, I've actually probably done most of this training myself, unless she's added some in, and done for you. Resource bundles, come on. Source codes, video, documents. So you can have the MinuteKit source file bundle and a PLR license to customize it as you like. Or if you want a bundle offer, it's the total funnel value is 252, but you get all of this at 197. So you can get, oh God, I've done it wrong. Why does this keep doing this? So I'm excited to share with you what's exactly inside the funnel. It's called MinuteKit, and you've got 7 complete membership websites, sales funnels, sales pages, delivery, emails, etc. The advanced is 10-part videos to 10x your results. Then you have source file bundles, so you can have a PLR license to customize it as you want. The traffic booster adds your links to the traffic rotator so that you will get leads into your funnels to grow your list and build your business. You can actually get the reseller rights and keep 100% of the funnel profits. And there is the MinuteKit bundle offer. The total funnel value is 352 because you get the MinuteKit bonuses, all the ones that I've just explained, but it's deeply discounted at 197. Now, when you get the first product that you buy, you will get affiliate marketing score. You will also get Rapid Profit Machine, which is worth at least £1,000, done by the great one and only James Neville Taylor, and it's everything you know about affiliate marketing, from creating your Facebook profile right through to solo ads and tracking and everything else in between. Unleash the power within. Come on, guys. Magnetic 3 steps to sales on Facebook, done by me, yours truly. And how to write emails. If you want to start writing emails yourself, you can. So you've got a free gift, how to write emails that convert like crazy. I wonder if you'll recognise the funnel. Was it done on Builder or was it done on Funnel Mates? That's it, guys. Click the link below. This is really exciting. I think it's the 23rd of November, that the webinar. Everything's going live then. So check it out. Click the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications button, and share this video with your friends, because a 1-minute webinar, 7 funnels, build 7 funnels in 1 minute. She's gone and excelled herself this time. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.